Greetings fellow car enthusiasts, this is the Austrian car guy, and I'm thrilled to share some exciting updates as we wrap up an incredible year devoted to the first generation of the Cadillac Seville. Before we dive in, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for your unwavering support. It's the fuel that keeps this passion-driven channel alive. If you've been following my journey, you've witnessed the epic Aus 350 engine rebuild series, a 5-year odyssey from teardown to completion. Brace yourselves for a recap video covering everything I haven't addressed during the series. Wondering what's next on the Austrian car guy? Get ready for a diverse array of Seville-centric content. Expect DIY restoration videos, upgrades, cruises, car meetings, and deep dives into the car's rich history. Oh, and there might be a surprise appearance from another car. Fingers crossed, and I'll keep you posted. Addressing some viewer feedback, I appreciate the honesty. Admittedly, I'm no professional mechanic, and I do things my way, and sometimes it's a bit slapdash, but most of the time it's far from the right way things should be done. But hey, that's the charm, right? Additionally, there are times when I don't capture every little detail of each step. This is because while I'm working on something, I tend to zone out and go with the flow. Consequently, I may simply forget to press the record button. There's definitely room for improvement, and I'm actively working on getting better at that, aiming to capture more details in the wrenching process. Your feedback is invaluable, and I'm committed to enhancing the viewer experience. With the holiday season approaching, the Austrian car guy is taking a short pit stop for Christmas. It's time to recharge, cherish moments with family and friends, and dream of future drives with the Seville. Fear not, the engine isn't cooling down for too long. Expect a comeback video on January 9th. Before the festive break, I want to hear from you. Drop your suggestions for future videos in the comments. If you're as eager as I am for what's ahead, hit subscribe and ring the notification bell. Let's make sure you don't miss a single gear shift. Thank you for your unwavering support. Stay tuned for more Seville stories, gearhead glory, and the unmistakable vibes of that Austrian car guy. Wishing you a holiday season filled with family warmth, festive lights, and timeless hum of classic car engines. Until our next ride, drive safe, and I'll catch you in the upcoming video. Bye bye!